talk to you about the MyMedic Ready Mini First Aid Kit. This is a great overall first aid kit. It's great really for day-to-day minor injuries, really anything minor. It's perfect. It's honestly perfect for camping, perfect for throwing it in your car, just to leave in it, perfect for going on a road trip, whatever you're gonna use it for. It's great. The nice part about the MyMedic bag is it comes in a water-resistant container. It's got nice high-quality zippers, has a couple different kind of carrying components, just makes it kind of really easy to use on a daily basis. I can get right in here. Once you're in, what I love about the MyMedic is it's completely color-coded. Once you're in it and you open it up, it's very easy to kind of find what you're looking for. So red is gonna be like a trauma, like a blood issue, so like a gauze pad, or back over here, they've got Band-Aids. It's like, so you kind of know like, okay, I'm bleeding, I need to look for the red. Or this is a, sting relief wipe. So this kind of turquoise color is for like sanitizer, different kind of cleaning, prepping, bug bites, that type of stuff. Then they've got burn gel, which is in orange. It makes it really easy to kind of find what you're looking for with this color-coded system. And there's just so much in these. Everything from a space blanket to keep you warm in an emergency situation, to ibuprofen, to gloves, like literally anything that you can kind of think of is in these kits, and it makes it nice and easy to use. You can restock and resupply. They've got sprain and fracture stuff in here. They've got tools and devices that come with like a whistle, a pen, scissors, anything that you'll need for a minor injury is in this kit. And the great part is, like I said, it's easily refillable. So like, let's say, you go through a bunch of Band-Aids, or let's say you want to get more of this treatment thing, you can just go online and reorder this. But you can see how much stuff comes in each individual one. In this little packet, it's got 3 triple antibiotics, 2 lip balm, 2 sunscreen, 2 sting relief, 1 white petroleum, and hydrocortisone itch relief, 2 oral pain relievers, 1 ammonia tablet, 1 chafing cream. Like literally, these things are packed with so much stuff. It's kind of incredible what they've done. With everything in it, weighs 1 pound and 3.1 ounces. And then they've got a couple other models. So they've got a hiking model that really comes without any of the additional baggage. So if you're going on a backpacking trip or a day hike, you've got like almost the same amount of stuff kind of jammed into this much smaller kit with a few modifications for what you'll need for hiking. So definitely a cool product to check out are these MyMedic packs and first aid kits. The really only con to these are they're a little bit expensive. It's going to cost you for each individual component, and it's going to cost you for the overall kit. But because it is such high quality, everything in it works. Whatever situation you find yourself in, you're going to have what you need, and you're going to be able to reorder it and resupply it appropriately. So this is the MyMedic Ready Mini First Aid Kit.